students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 6 squares and square root. Last class we discussed exercise 6.1. Now we are going to discuss exercise 6.2 case. First, what about square root? Square root means, example, see. Here 25 means which same number multiplying time we get to 25. 25 is a square of 5. We can say that 25 is a square of 5. 5 is multiplied with 5, we get answer 25. 16 means a square of 4. That means 4 is multiplied with 4. Then we get to 16. Then next 49 square of 7. That means how we can write 7 is multiplied with 7. We get 49. Here we going to discuss about square roots. Square root means here see what is the square root of 25. Asking time. Here symbol of square root represent like this symbol. Square root symbol is like this. Fractional wise how we can say it is equal to 1 by 2 part. 1 by 2 square root we can represent as fractional way. How to represent 1 by 2? Here symbolically how we can represent in this way. This symbolically we represent square root of 25. That means square root of 5 square. Square root of 5 square because how we can write 5 square. I already said square root we can write as in fractional form as 1 by 2. Then 2 power case, loss of exponent case. 2 power case, powers are multiplied. So 2 into second power is 1 by 2. Numerator and denominator cancel. So 5 raised to 1 means how much is the square root of 25? 5 is the square root of 25. Same way. What another example? What is the square root of 64? Actually 64 is a square of which number? 8 square. 8 is multiplied with 8, we get 64. Here my question is what is the square root of 64? Asking time. Take the square root of 8 square. Square root of 8 square means here root represent as fractional wise as 1 by 2. Loss of exponent case 2 into 1 by 2 represent as 2 power case. 2 power case we can multiply. 2 cancel. 8 raised to 1 represent as. So square root of 64 become which number? 8 is the square root of 64. Simply we can say that in this way thinking 64 how to get in which same number multiplied them we get the answer as 64. Which same number multiplying? 8 is multiplied. That's why in that way you think 8 become the square root of 64. Another example 81. Which same number multiplying time 81 getting 9 is multiplied with 9. So what is the square root? Asking them square root of 81 become which number? 9 is the square. That is the simple meaning of the square root. Then here we go through exercise 6.2. In 6.2, in exercise 6.2, first Roman they tells about find out the squares, not square root, squares of the given number. Example, one question they given as 32. Find the square of this number. You don't want to 32 into 30. You don't want to write it like this. Actually 32, our given number is 32. 32, how we can split and write 30 plus 2 become 32. Is it right or wrong? It is right. 30 is added with 2. We get 32. Next step is squaring both sides. Squaring both side squaring. That means 32 also squaring. 30 plus 2 also square. Square means a bracket keep and put a whole square. Meaning, what is the meaning of 30 plus 2 the whole square? That bracket 2 times right hand multiply. That is the meaning of 30 plus 2 the whole square. So we can write it as 30 plus 2 bracket 2 times right hand multiply. In this way. Then how to multiply two bracket case? In first bracket, first number take outside, second bracket multiplied with the first bracket, first number is 30, 30 is multiplied with the second bracket. Same way, first bracket, second with the symbol plus 2 is the second number of the first bracket. That number is multiplied with the second bracket. The next process, here distributive property of multiplication over an addition case here apply. That means outside number is multiplied to the each two numbers. So 30 into 30 plus 30 is multiplied with the second number 30 into 2. In this way, open the bracket, distributive property. Plus, here also distributive property. 2 is multiplied with the first number 30 plus again 2 is multiplied with the second number 2. In this way, multiplicative distributive property apply here. Here remaining part I write it. 30 into 30. Easy way how to multiply the numbers decimal. 3 into 3 become how much? 9. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So just 2 zeros, keep it on the answer right side. Plus again this is a second term. 30 into 2 easy way. 3 2s are how much? 6. Here how many zeros there? 1 0. So 60 is the answer. Plus here third number see 2 into 30. Numbers just to multiply. 2 into 30 become how much? 2 into 3 becomes 6. How many zeros are there? 1 0. Plus last number is 2 2s are how much? 4. All this number column wise right hand and so 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4. Adding to how much? 4. 6 plus 6 12. 10. So answer become how much? 1024 is the final and square of 32 become how much? 32 square become 1024. Don't waste your time for 32 into 32. Here in which way we can, this is one method. It is split into split and squaring and here multiplication distributive property apply and find out. I hope you can understand. One more question. Same method only. One more question. Second question given as here 86. Here also find out the square of 86. How we can write? How to split 86? 80 is added with 6. We get 86. Next procedure, squaring both side. Squaring both side. Squaring time, left side part is 86 square equal 80 plus 2, 2 terms are there. That's why bracketed keep and whole square. Top whole square. Meaning, what is the meaning of this bracket and square? 80 plus 6, 2 times that bracket right and multiply. So 80 plus 6 first bracket, again 80 plus 6 second, 2 times right and multiply. How to multiply this one? First bracket, first number take outside, that number is multiplied with the second bracket 80 plus 6. Again second number of the first bracket with the symbol that is plus 6. Plus 6 is the second number of the first multiplied with the second bracket 80 plus 6 is the second bracket. The multiplication process. How to multiply? Here I write it. Easy way. Here distributive property applied. Here distributive property applied. 80 is multiplied with the first number plus outside 80 is multiplied with the second number 6. Plus outside 6 is multiplied with the 80 plus outside 6 is multiplied with the second number 6. In this way multiplication. Multiplication do in the easy way. Numbers multiply. 8 8s are 64. How many zeros are in the first term? 2 zeros. That one right there. Again next second 80 into 6. First number 8 6 are how much? 48. Here how many 0? 1 0. Plus next number 6 into 8 easy way. 6 8s are how much? 48. There also how many 0? 1 0. Plus 6 into 6 become how much? 36. Next column wise right hand and 6400 is added with 480 plus third number 480 plus fourth number 36. Column wise right hand add. So 6 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 comes to be 19. Remainder 1. Here how much will come in getting there? 12. 12 plus 1 13. Remainder 1 7. So answer become how much? 7396 is the square of 86. I hope you can understand this method. This method we call it as find out the square of the number using a formula wise. Then next part, second Roman they tells about Pythagorean triplet. That word, Pythagorean triplet. There also Pythagorean triplet finding a formula is there. Triplet, triple means double means 2, triple means how much? 3. 3 numbers consecutive means next 3 numbers we want to find out. Triple means 3 numbers, next 3 numbers we want to find. How to find means there here one formula is the first number finding formula 2m, second number finding formula m square minus 1, third number finding formula m square plus 1. This is the formula for finding a Pythagorean triplet. This is formula. Using this formula, first number, second number, third number we going to find out. Question, first question. Pythagorean triplet for 6. Find out Pythagorean triplet for 6. How to find out means we can say that here 2m is equal to the our given number 6. 2m, first number is 2m. 2m is equal to our given number in question, which is the given number 6. So using this formula, first of all we want to find m value. That m value substitute and find out the second number. That m value substitute in the second and third formula and find out the third number. That is the procedure. So from here linear equation case we learned m value. How to find out 2 and 6, right and left, 2 table possible to cancel, 2 table to 1 time, 2 table 6 3 times. So m value become how much? 3 is the m value. This m value substitute in m square, that is a second number. So put a m value. So m value substitute in time m place 3 square minus m square is there. That's why 3 square minus 1. 3 square become how much? 9 minus 1 is equal to how much? 8 is the next second number. Next third number is m square plus 1. M value is how much? 3. So 3 square plus 1. 3 square means how much? 9. 9 plus 1 become how much? 10 is the next number. So that's why which are the Pythagorean triplet asking a first number represent as 2m is the first number formula finding. 2m is equal to given number. That's why first number is 6. Second number represent as m square minus 1. Value substitute and calculation doing time 8. Next m square plus 1 is the third number where m value substitute and calculation doing time which answer getting 10. So 6, 8, 10 are the Pythagorean triplet for the number 6. Say next one more question. Then you can understand how to do this one. One more question second question is 40. Find out the Pythagorean triplet for 14. How to start? Here also first number 2 formula is first number finding formula is 2m. That is equal to our given number. Which is a given number? 14 is the given number. Using this formula, first we find out m value. M value how to find? Right and left, 2 table use to cancel. 2 table to 1 time, 2 table 14, 7 time. So m value become how much? 7. So m value is 7. This m value substitute in a second formula and m value substitute in third formula. Second and third number will get in there. M square minus 1 is the formula. M places 7 square minus 1. 7 square become how much? 7 into 7 square means 7 is multiplied 2 times. So 7 sevens are how much? 49 minus 1 become 48. Then next third number is m square plus 1, meaning m place 7 substitute. So m square is 7 square plus 1. 7 square represent as how much? 49 plus 1 comes to be 50. Therefore, which are the three numbers? First number is equal to our given number 2m is equal to 40 means first number is 40. Second number is m square minus 1 value, that is 48. Third number is m square plus 1 value, that is how much? 50. These are the Pythagorean triplet of this 14. I hope you can understand this one. Then next one here we go through square root case. Here a square root case. How to find out the square root means there are three methods. There are two methods for finding a square root. What are the two methods means? First method means repeated subtraction method. Square root how to find out means repeated subtraction method. Subtraction method. First method name is repeated subtraction method. Second method is a prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method and repeated subtraction. There are two methods for finding a square root. First method is repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method means odd numbers using and subtracting find a square root number will find in there. Prime factorization method means prime numbers use and dividing you get a prime. That answer is known as prime factors. We call it as prime factors. That method we call it as a prime factorization method. So first we go through repeated subtraction method. How to find out the square root. The exercise 6.3. First part they asking like this, here using repeated subtraction method, find out the square root of 100 and find out the square root of 169. Two questions are there, questions are there. First question we going to solve that. Here first 100 case, how to find out the square root of 100. Repeated subtraction method using how to find out the square root of 100. How to find out means first, which is the first odd number? 1 is the first odd number. So 100 minus 1 comes to be how much? 99. Again this answer 99 is subtracted with the next odd number is 3. 99 minus 3 become how much? 96. Again our aim is to divide and subtract. Final answer become a 0. That up to there we want to subtract and subtraction. Next this 96 is subtracted with the next odd number become, which is the next odd number? 5 is the next odd number. So answer become how much? 91 is the next answer. Then again 91 is subtracted with the next odd number is 7. So how much will getting there? Here for 84 will 91 minus 7 become 84. Again continuing 84 is subtracted with the next odd number is 9. So how much will getting there? 40 minus 9 comes to be 5. Here 75 will getting. Again continuing this 75 is subtracted with the next odd number, which is the next odd number. 11 is the next odd number. So it will become how much? 64 will coming. The 75 minus 11 become 60. I continue here. 64 is subtracted with the next odd number, which is next odd number 13. So it become how much? 51 is the next. Again 51 is subtracted with the next odd number. 13 after next odd number is 15 is the next odd number. Here get us how much? 336. So answer is how much? 11 minus 5 become how much? 6. Then 4 minus 1 comes to be 3. Then again 36 is subtracted with the next odd number. Which is the next odd number? 17 is the next odd number. How to subtraction doing? 36 minus 17. 6 minus 7 not possible. Borrow from next place. 16 minus 7 comes to be how much? 9. Here 2 minus 1 19. Then 19 is subtracted with the next odd number, which is the next odd number 90. So 90 minus 19 comes to be how much? 0. So subtract and subtract. Finally we reach which answer? 0. So how many steps we required for reaching the final answer as 0? How many steps we required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps. Number of steps is 10. We require number of steps. How much? 10 steps we required. Therefore, square root symbol, how to draw the square root? Here in this way represent the square root of 100 become 10 is the answer. In this way square root we are finding with the help of repeated subtraction. I hope you can understand this method. The next question they say in second part 169, same procedure, repeated subtraction method apply and find out the square root of 169. How to do that? Second question. Second question is 116. I hope you can understand this first question. Next 169 case also. 169. There also starting 169 is subtracted with the first odd number. Which is the first odd number? 1. So answer become how much? 168. Again 168 is subtracted with the next odd number. Which is the next odd number? 3 is the next odd number. 2 is the even number. So next odd number become 3. So how much getting? 165. Again 165 is subtracted with the next odd number. Next odd number is 5. 4 is a even number. Next odd number become 5. How much? 160. Again 160 is subtracted with the next odd number. Next odd number becomes 7. Here how much will coming there? 153 will subtraction doing time getting. Again 153 is subtracted with the next 8 is even number. So next prime number odd number become 9. Subtraction doing how much it get in there? 144. Again continue 144 is subtracted with the next odd number. 10 is an even number. Next odd number become 11. So it become how much? 133. I continue here. Again 133 is subtracted with the next odd number. Next odd number become 13. So answer become how much? 120. Again 120 is subtracted with the next odd number. Next odd number become 50. 10 minus 5 become 5. Here 1 minus 105 is the answer. Again 105 is subtracted with the next odd number. Which is the next odd number? 16 is even number. Next odd number becomes 17. So next odd number is here 50 minus 7 become 8. Here 9 minus 1 comes to be 88. Again 88 is subtracted with the next odd number. Next odd number become 80. 18 is the even number. Next odd number become 19. So again subtraction doing here 9 will coming there. 7 minus 1 comes to be 69. So here 80 minus 9 become 9. Borrowing from 8. So 7 minus 1 comes to be 6. So 69. Again 69 is subtracted with the next odd number. 20 is an even number. 21 is the odd number. So 9 minus 1 comes to be 8. 6 minus 2 comes to be 4. Again 48 is subtracted with the next odd number, that is 22. 3. Subtraction doing how much? 25 will get in there. Then again 25 is subtracted with the next odd number. 24 is an even number. Next odd number become 25. 25 minus 25 become how much? 0. So how many steps are required for reach the final answer as 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 steps. Therefore, we can say 30 steps required. That's why square root of 169 because how much? 13 is the square root of 169. This method we call it as a repeated subtraction method. Square root finding first method is repeated subtraction method. Next we go through a prime factorization method. That one we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.